Friends, let's talk about securing your financial future. In today's world, it's not enough to just earn a paycheck. You need to make your money work for you. That's where investing comes in. It's the most powerful tool you have to build wealth over time. Investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're starting with a little or a lot, there are opportunities out there for you. The key is to start early and invest consistently. Remember, time is your greatest ally in the market. The sooner you begin, the more you benefit from the magic of compounding. Think of investing as planting seeds for a fruitful harvest. Each dollar you invest is a seed that has the potential to grow exponentially. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back from reaping the rewards of your hard-earned money. This isn't about getting rich-quick schemes. This is about making smart decisions today to secure a brighter tomorrow. Let's explore some exciting investment avenues together. The tech industry is booming, and savvy investors are taking notice. Companies like Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon are at the forefront of innovation, driving change and creating incredible opportunities for growth. Tesla, with its electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions, is revolutionizing the automotive and energy sectors. Nvidia's cutting-edge graphics processing units, or GPUs, are powering everything from gaming to artificial intelligence. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, continues to expand its reach, dominating online retail and cloud computing. But there are also hidden gems in the tech world. Riot Blockchain, a leader in Bitcoin mining, is capitalizing on the cryptocurrency boom. Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, is pioneering the metaverse, a virtual reality world with immense potential. Keep an eye on companies like INDI or Indie Semiconductor and TLRY, Tilray. ENDI is making waves in the automotive chip industry, while TLRY is at the forefront of the burgeoning cannabis market. These companies represent the future of their respective industries, and their growth potential is undeniable. Now let's talk about how to analyze these exciting opportunities. Stock charts may seem complex, but they're simply visual representations of a company's performance over time. By learning to read these charts, you can gain valuable insights into market trends and make informed investment decisions. Look for stocks with a consistent upward trend, indicating strong growth potential. Pay attention to trading volume, which reflects investor interest and confidence. Keep an eye out for breakouts when a stock's price surges above resistance levels, signaling a potential buying opportunity. Remember, investing is not a guessing game. It's about research, analysis, and understanding the fundamentals of the companies you're investing in. By combining your knowledge of the tech industry with smart chart reading techniques, you can position yourself for success in the stock market.
Section 4. Diving into digital gold, exploring the cryptocurrency frontier. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, has captured the imagination of investors worldwide. Its decentralized nature and limited supply have led many to call it digital gold. Ethereum, with its smart contract functionality, is powering the next generation of decentralized applications. Solana, known for its speed and scalability, is challenging Ethereum's dominance. And then there's Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, meme coins that have gained massive popularity and shown the power of community-driven investment. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, but their potential for growth is undeniable. As the world becomes increasingly digital, cryptocurrencies are poised to play a major role in the future of finance.
Section 5. Your time to invest is now. Seizing opportunities in stocks and crypto. Friends, the world of investing is full of opportunities, and there's never been a better time to get started than now.
Whether you're drawn to the innovation of the tech industry or the transformative potential of cryptocurrencies, remember that knowledge is power.
Do your research, seek advice from trusted financial experts, and don't be afraid to start small.
Remember,
Every successful investor was once a beginner. The key is to take that first step and begin your investment journey today.
Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back from securing your financial future. The time to invest is now.